Well, I've got a warning for a headlight bulb on the Volvo, so we'll just take a little look which one. We'll release the bonnet. And the good news is that Volvo make one of the easiest headlights to remove I have ever come across. So to remove the headlight, the answer lies with these two pieces of metal here. All you do is just lift them out. You see, useful tent pegs. No, they're not tent pegs. Could be used as such, but could ruin your car. With those metal clips removed, we can just move and just wiggle the headlamp free. Just lift it up a little bit at the bottom and manoeuvre it out. There, I've done it one-handedly for the purposes of the video. So with the headlamp out, we can now access the back. So I think what I might do, just for the benefit of the video, is disconnect this here so I can really show you what's behind. Well, with the headlamp removed, we've got a clip here. Just take that off, and there are these two clips here to remove. It's a two-handed job just to get this backing off. So that's one free, and this one's a bit trickier. And then the whole thing just pivots up. And to remove this bulb, you just lever down on it very gently. You can push them tabs back a little if necessary. And that's one old H7 bulb. And we do have a replacement H7 bulb. Now it's important when you're handling these bulbs not to go around touching the glass at all, as it can burn on and cause premature failure, allegedly. I always like it when the bulbs have got something to handle it with, like this outer foam that serves two purposes. So we'll remove the old bulb and then put in the new bulb. You don't have to worry about polarity. So we'll install the new bulb like so. You see how it firmly clips in, and replace the backing. Just give them a clip either side. Hear the click. And now put that lock over, and I'll plug this headlamp in. That's a stage you don't have to do. Well, with the headlamp reconnected, I can just gently shuffle it in, taking care to get this locating pin in here. And it's gone. And we'll replace the tent pegs. Now you may notice they have a channel in. If you look down here, you're going to want the channel facing the front of the car, or it's not going to work. So that's one nearly in. I'll just get the other one started. That's two. That one's in fully. That one's resisting for some reason. And it went. You can actually check that this one is securely located. And there we have it, one working headlight. Now there is a case for replacing these in pairs. I'm going to have a bit of fun and not do that. What I'm going to do is just wait until the other one fails, and then in the comments I'll put an update with the date it failed and when I replaced it. The warning has now disappeared, so do check the comments, because today is the 12th of August. So many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to the channel to learn of more low cost repair solutions.